So, you just became a certified life coach and you're looking for ways to sign up new clients. Well, then this video is for you.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers create and generate their first or next 10K paydays for their life coach and healing businesses, where they go out there in 30 days or less and generate $10,000 for their life coach and healing businesses using profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be going over how you can go out there very, very quickly and sign up new clients right after you get certified, right, as a life coach. We're going to be giving you the A to Z step-by-step guide in this video. We're going to be going over why most life coaches struggle when it comes to signing up clients and how you can avoid that. We're going to be going over specifically how you can identify, right, and pick a perfect profitable niche, how to create an offer that's going to be crazy irresistible and it's going to have people running to you so you can make offers that sell like crazy for your life coaching business. And we're also going to be going over specifically how you can make sales every single week. Without any further ado, let's go in to the video. All right, so first things first, why do most life coaches struggle to sign up clients consistently, and how can you avoid, right, not falling into like spraying and praying and hoping to go out there and talk to as many people as you can so that you, right, individually, so now I'll go over what I mean by that here in a second, so that you can go out there and sign up clients. I think a lot of life coaches become life coaches, and I don't know, you know, like they'll become life coaches and sometimes they'll talk to people about becoming a life coach, but it's just a very small number, right? And not a lot of life coaches are talking to people about them becoming a life coach, you know, when they're doing it or whatever, but they'll come out and they're like, I don't really know anybody, right? And then what they'll do is they'll be like, well, I'm just going to start telling people that I'm a life coach and then trying to get them on the phone so that I can educate them about what it is that I'm a life coach about. And then when I can let them know what it is that I'm a life coach about, then maybe they'll be interested in purchasing from me. And then you're going to do this like one by one. Well, I got this friend, I got that friend, I met this person, I met that person, and you'll literally start like reaching out to them. And you know, we see a lot of life coaches that do that. And one of the first things that, you know, we tell our life coaches to do is, you know, we need to start demonstrating how we can help people, not talking to people how we can help people, not saying, hey, this is what I can do for you, but actually start helping them with getting wins toward the goal or the target they want to have. By demonstrating, you know, you're going to be involving people in the process, and you're actually going to be getting a chance to show them by actually showing them and doing it. And they're going to be like, whoa, like they really know what they're talking about. I want to get more help from them. Right? Or I actually have a bigger goal, a bigger target that I think you can help me with. Yeah, and then you simply just say at the end, right? Or you simply just say at the end of this demonstration, hey, you know, I saw you got this help. Would you like to continue getting this more of my help? And ultimately, you know, you're going to get a lot of people are going to be like, yeah, let's do this thing. And you're going to sign up multiple clients every single week. The thing is, though, before we get into how you're going to do that through profitable presentations, like what we want to get you out of the trap of doing is telling people or trying to get other people to tell people how great you are at this thing. Right? Like it doesn't matter how great you are at anything. It doesn't matter how many certifications you have. What matters, and I know that's going to make some people mad. Like, I get it. Like, that's going to make some people mad. I trigger people when I talk about that every single time. But here's the truth. People are going to sign up with you as a life coach, not because of somebody else's opinion, which is all really a certification is. They're going to sign up with you because they know and they have the belief that you can help solve the problem that they have. All right, so we talked about a step-by-step guide on how you can go out there and you can sign up clients consistently after becoming a certified life coach. And what we're going to do is I want to talk to you right before we go through that kind of like, not necessarily step-by-step, but I want to talk to you about the thing that we're going to use, the mechanism, the tool that we're going to use to sign up, right, multiple clients. And we're going to get out of this one-on-one sales call, consult call, discovery call, crazy call thingy that a lot of people are telling you need to hop on. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting together what we classify as a profitable presentation. Now, a profitable presentation is going to be where you go out there and you invite multiple people to start getting help with a singular problem, right, that you can help them with. Now, a lot of people are like, well, I don't want to help them with the problem that I'm going to get paid for. Well, the truth of the matter is people are not going to pay you for information. They're going to pay you for implementation. So even if you show them how to do it, they're going to pay you because they want you to help them make sure that they can do it and usually do do it a lot faster because they're going to be working with you to be able to do that. So ultimately, right, we want to put on this profitable presentation that is going to go out there and help people by actually helping people, right, with the problem that they have. And we can give a profitable presentation in 5 different ways. We can do it as a workshop, online masterclass. We can do it as a, online summit. We could also do it as a, online challenge. And then the 5th way is we could do it as a live event. There's a multitude of live events that you can do. But ultimately, right, you want to be able to give a profitable presentation so that you can solve the problem for multiple people at one time, right, consistently in the marketplace, so that they're consistently coming to you, wanting your help. They're talking about you. You're getting into the marketplace. You're demonstrating how you can help people by actually helping them, not just talking about it. And the truth of the matter is when you're out there demonstrating and helping people, you're building momentum, and people are going to be signing up with you left, right, and center because they are seeing you actually help people by actually helping them and demonstrating and watching you do it, which is going to be this big magnet that is going to attract people to you that need your help. Before I go over exactly how you can sign up people from your profitable presentation following our 3-step selling system here at Life Coach Launch, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can go out there and create and generate their first or their next 10K paydays for their life coach and healing business where they generate $10,000, right, in 30 days or less using profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so we talked about the profitable presentations. I want to talk to you about 2 things around the profitable presentations, right? Or technically kind of 3. What's going to happen before, what's going to happen during, and what's going to happen after. Okay, so the first thing we want to realize is we want to get people there. So if you're just became a life coach or just became certified, you want to let everybody that you know, whether it's an email list, social media in any capacity, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, whatever it is, where you have a list of people that you're connected to, you want to start letting them know that not only that you're a life coach, but you are going to start helping people with a specific thing, and you are going to be putting on a profitable presentation, what we talked about earlier, a workshop, a masterclass, a summit, a challenge, or possibly even a live event, and you're literally going to be showing them and demonstrating to them exactly how you can help them at that thing, at that profitable presentation, and then making an offer to them at the end of that profitable presentation. So what we want to do, you're not going to let them know you're making them an offer, but you're going to let them know that you're going to be helping them with that thing, right? And then what we're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to start letting them know and promoting this to everybody that you know. Right? Hey, I'm doing this, I'm doing this. I think it could help. I think you'd love it, And you're going to get some people that are going to come to your first profitable presentation. What we want to do is during the presentation, right, we want to make sure that we have a presentation in place that is going to help people completely with solving the problem that we're going to be talking about. So usually we talk about in our presentations, we're going to have a big idea, and then we're going to have step-by-steps on basically completing or being able to burst through, get around, solve problem, or get to solution that big idea talks about. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we show up to the presentation. If we don't show up, it hurts us a lot more than it will ever help us, right? We want to show up. Doesn't matter if it's only 1 or 2 people that sign up. We want to make sure we show up, because by us not showing up, even if it's 1 or 2 people that do, what is that us telling them? That they're not important enough? That's not good. Those are 1 or 2 people that need your help, and they can sign up for what it is that you're going to be promoting and talking to them about. And then also after we show up, we want to make sure that we put on a good show, right? We come up with energy. We want to, really give it our all and give 100%. But the big thing is we want to show up and actually want to help people. Yes, we give people slides. Yes, we give people ways and different ways that you can, your tonality and how you organize your slides and how you, title things and how you organize your sales stack and how you transition into your sales. There's all these things that we do to help you and increase your percentages of signing up more people. But at the end of the day, to sign up people, you need to show up and actually care. And when you show up and actually care, those people are actually going to want to get your help after the presentation, and those people are going to sign up with you. And then after the presentation, what we want to make sure that we do is that we're going to be presenting our sales stacks. So we're going to have some people that sign up from that. And if they don't sign up, then we want to make sure we reach out to the people that not only came, but also registered for the presentation, so that we can do one of 2 things. We can get them on a call for a strategy call, and then we can, invite them to customize what it is that we talked about, and then invite them to help them more at the end of that call. Or we can, invite them to come to that next presentation, whether it's on the call or to come to the presentation or next presentation that we're going to be planning on having, whether it's a presentation around the same thing or a different thing. Just getting them to stay around you and getting help from you is nurturing them and ultimately getting them 1 step closer to being able to purchase from you, raise their hand, get their credit card out, and purchase what it is that you have to offer. So we want to make sure we follow the before, the during, and the after when we're doing those presentations, because when we're doing that, we're going to be consistently signing up a lot more people. All right, so the big piece here is really what comes down to so many things, whether we're talking about personal development, success, like whatever it might be, like making more money, it all comes back down to not necessarily getting the motivation to do something, but the discipline to keep doing it, right? And like this is where like really going out there and creating your consistent 10K paydays are going to come from, is by you running presentations consistently. And at Life Coach Launch, we talk about doing it every single week. By doing this, you're going to be able to increase momentum, and you're going to be able to get more and more eyeballs on you that need help with that specific problem. Specifically, if you really got your niche down, you really got your messaging down, and your offer is irresistible and it sells like crazy, by just getting it in front of more people, and and you're going to be getting it in front of more people that need your help, those people are going to buy, right? So all we need to do is we need to make sure that consistently we are going out there and demonstrating how it is that we can help people by actually helping people. And we do that through profitable presentations and exactly what we talked about with you here in this video. Are you a life coach who's wanting to go out there and get new clients quickly? Well, I just got done with this brand new guide called the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which is a 22-page guide, which is going to go over with you the three-step selling system that we talked about and we help our clients with here at Life Coach Launch, so that you can use profitable presentations to go out there and sign up new clients here in the next 30 days flat. Just go down there in the description and grab your free 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by going down there right now and claiming your free 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. We'll see you in the next video.